Right, so you never know what you're going to find when you come to visit here. Where did you come from? Where did you drive from? So there you go. Hi from Essex. Hi. They've driven up from Essex this morning to come and look at wood burners. Saying, what can you cook in a wood burner? You can't cook in a wood burner. You can. So they didn't believe me. So I've just gone and got some steaks out the freezer. So I'm going to stick these in here. I'm not going to make them just now. But we're just having tea and toast. That's not bad for breakfast. Right. So when I'm doing steaks, these ones are out of Lidl's. I always like ribeye. And I'll give you a close-up. You're thinking, what am I doing looking at this? I like to look at them closely. So there's none of them sinewy, skinny type bits or the white stuff. You know the white stuff that you get through them with the white silvery residue. Don't want them. So I've just taken my Hellfire Grill and I've just shoved it in the wood burner from when I was cooking chicken the other night because I put the video on. And I'm just going to pop a couple of logs in there. One. Got another one, so I've got my kiln dried birch and we'll shove that in there. So there's my kiln dried birch and I am now going to go and put these in some hot water in the sink. By the time these are defrosted in 5 minutes, that fire will be ready to cook. There's those steaks, they've been in the sink in the hot water, so because they've been in the hot water you'll see that they're now room temperature. They've only been in there like 5 minutes or so you can see they're quite squishy. Now, I like them that they are about 12mm thick because they cook nice and fast because I'm only going to cook that for about 45 seconds on each side. So, that's been in there, what, 20 seconds? So, everybody else coming in as well on a Saturday. They're everywhere, but it doesn't... See, do you smell it from me just turning it? Mega quick. No mess. Mega quick, no mess, and the grill colour that you get off this is insane. So I'm just going to turn that around a little bit more so that I like the edges blackened because the flavour of this is incredible. That'll be plenty done. There we go. That's it. Bit of sea salt. We're done. It looks like a lot of salt, but most of that's going to fall straight back off. What I try and explain is, go on. It's a totally different flavour. You cannot explain to anybody what that tastes like. But you can. It's just the intensity, the flavour. Is not like barbecue, is it? Yeah, it's like that's what happens in here. You can't get into this and cooking on fire. It's just incredible. There's no describing it. It's not like barbecue. It's not like barbecue at all. It's entirely different. And it's so fast, so quick. And you look, where's the mess? There's nothing. You can't even smell it in here. Only what I've just brought out.